he said typically that's a year before, right? Ronald Holmes of Pulse Asia said that.
Yeah.
So ito, sinabi rin Ronald Holmes, napakaaga daw naging lame duck. I want your thoughts on that. And ito, be specific, Ronald. What can he do? What can he do in the 3 years?
Well, tama si Tokayo, no? Tama si Ronnie, no? Ngayon nasa verge siya, nasa bingit siya of being an early lame duck president. Dahil yung kanyang approval ratings bumababa, tapos yung kanyang kalaban tumataas. Tapos galing siya sa isang disastrous budget controversy. Kung maalala mo, no? Yung budget controversy, medyo defining yun. Dahil before the budget controversy, yung mga Duterte ay nasa isang corner. After the budget controversy, sila ngayon ang nasa corner. Nagpatuloy yan hanggang sa midterm na medyo naging disastrous. At tapos ngayon, mga approval ratings niya ay pababa. Even lower than Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo. So, yung kanyang mga political base na hindi naman yan loyal, wala namang ideology yan, will slowly gravitate doon sa frontliner sa 2028. Dahil wala naman silang, for now, wala naman silang kandidato for 2028 na mataas ang ratings. So, all that combined will help create the lame duck president na ating incumbent president. So yun yung magiging problema niya. Mag-gravitate yan slowly. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng lame duck. Yung political base mo, yung mga local officials, yung Congress, yung Senate, dahan-dahan niyang magne-negotiate doon sa iyong kalaban. Or kung sino man yung leading going into the 2028 elections. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng lame duck. Yung legislative bills, yung priority bills, magkakaroon ng problema. At posible, yung tinutulak ni yung binanggit ni Vice President Sara, posible na magkaroon ng impeachment. Hindi ni Sara, kundi ng presidente. Kung hindi niya aayusin ito, dahil sinabi ni Sara pilote na niya idea ng impeachment. Ibig sabihin, nararamdaman...
Baliktad!
Oo, nararamdaman ni Sara na bumababa siya at tumataas siya. At unti-unti niyang mahahatak yung kanyang political base. Kaya itong labanan for the speakership sa July is also crucial. Yung pipiliin mo bang speaker ay can control Congress to prevent an impeachment ng presidente? Yung ilalagay mo bang speaker ay kayang isulong yung iyong priority bills which will define your governance? No? So ganyan yung labanan. Hindi lang yung labanan ng political baggage. Labanan yan ng control. Who can control Congress?